Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, fought like cats and dogs. Yes. Cats. We are cats and dogs. There we are. Definitely. There we are. Fought like cats and dogs. Yeah. So, to fight quite viciously. Yeah, to fight, not get along. No. Yeah, they might fight like cats and dogs. Yeah. In the arena. They fight like cats and dogs. Yeah. Definitely, yeah. Yeah. They were quite aggressive and fought like cats and dogs. They might fight like cats and dogs over the championship. Yes. Over the championship. There we are. Oops, where'd that go? There we are. Yeah. Sometimes I think they will fight like cats and dogs because they don't get along. As they don't get along, they might fight like cats and dogs. Yeah, definitely. Depending on things, yeah. They fought like cats and dogs. It was wild. It was uncontrollable. It all just happened so fast. They fought like cats and dogs. Wow. Vicious. It was vicious. And crazy. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, they are fighting tooth and nail. Tooth? And nail. Vicious. Yeah, so fighting quite viciously. No remorse. No letting off. No stopping. So, language explorers, can you use fought like cats and dogs in a sentence? Write it in the comments below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.